Here at the Alberta Children's Hospital, we've introduced point-of-care ultrasound into our clinical practice and into our workflow. This is something that we've been doing over the past years, but it's really taken off over the last short while. What point-of-care ultrasound is, it's ultrasound technology. This is the same technology that people would mostly know from when they're pregnant and there's a new baby on the way. The way we're using this is here in the emergency department, we're able to use a version of it. It's not exactly the same, but it's very similar. That's portable, that lets us in real time see what's going on inside the patient. It lets us arrive at our diagnoses faster, and it makes us more accurate in making those diagnoses. It really does elevate the care we provide. It also allows us, once we know what's going on, to initiate treatments and perform procedures in a way that's safer and faster and more comfortable for patients.
By helping to fund this state-of-the-art technology, we're supporting faster, more accurate diagnoses and empowering healthcare teams with the tools they need to deliver the best possible outcomes. In addition to helping purchase the new machines, Suncor's funding also supported the KidSONO program, which expands point-of-care ultrasound capacity throughout the hospital and enables Alberta Children's Hospital professionals to share their expertise and train practitioners at other children's hospitals across Canada.
It's really interesting when you can identify the absolute worst moment in your life. And that was when we had unzipped Rosie and she was blue and her heart wasn't beating, and all of a sudden, when they realized that, they pulled her into the ER and the entire hospital descended on her, and it was the hardest moment of my life. In the emergency department, they were running tests. They did ultrasound her heart, and I remember the cardiologist told me that they had found a mass in the left ventricle of her heart. The staff here at the Alberta Children's Hospital is phenomenal. Every single staff member went above and beyond in every way through all of our continuing care, where it seems like everyone is just seeking opportunities to use the system to its fullest to make sure that all families can receive the best benefit that we can possibly have.
As we thought about where to invest Suncor's dollars in the community, we focused on what our employees were already doing. And when we looked at what our employees were donating to, it was the healthcare space and specifically children's healthcare. And we're very pleased to follow them in supporting these very important initiatives. We believe health is a key part of the foundation of a strong community. Supporting health and well-being, particularly for children and their families, is one of the most impactful ways we can give back.
I'm extremely proud as a Suncor employee that the organization that I work for is supporting kids like Rosie and moms and families like me who are there on their worst days so that we can all have the best care for our kids. When you come to the Children's Hospital, you can just be a mom.
Without the support from corporate sponsors and community sponsors, we would not be able to buy these ultrasound machines. We would not be able to have funded the educational content that we've created to teach our doctors how to use it. And as a result, we have been able to elevate the care that we're delivering here. Having this support and having these tools allows us to be the best clinicians that we can be.